Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to the another lecture series from trigonometry. So today mainly we are focused to discuss on multiple angles or half angle formulas. So I want to continue from my last lecture. I have given you the problems and we also have proved some statement from these things. So I hope you are able to get the result. So you got the result that cos 2a equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a and sin 2a equal to 2 cos a into sin a. Similarly, cos 2a can be written as this three form and sin 2a is 2 sin a into cos a into sin a. Okay. Similarly, if I given you the problem to find value of sin 3a and cos 3a, definitely you are able to find it, because 3a we can write it as 2a plus a and this cos 3a we can write as cos 2a plus a. So by the same logic, by using the same logic that we have done in previous lecture, we just wrote this 2a as a plus a and we got the result. So if you expand this thing, sin 3a and cos 3a with sin 2a plus a, cos 2a plus a, and just write the expansion of these things. So what will this will become? Sin 2a into cos a plus cos 2a into sin a. Okay, and now just expand the things using the previous formulas. So finally we got the result as so I'm just writing a direct result here. You can just try it. So sin 3a we got 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Okay, and cos 3a we got 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Okay, and okay, so these formulas are called the multiple angle formula. Why it is called multiple angle formula? Because here you have 2a and in this side you only have a. Okay, so that's why these formulas are called multiple angle formula. So if I want to write this formula for a, I need to half the RHS. So in the same way, since I have what I have, cos 2a equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a. So now the same formula, if I want to write for cos a, I need to halve this angle. So 1 minus 2 sin square a by 2. Are you getting me? I hope you are getting. Okay. So similarly, if I have sin 2a equal to 2 cos a into, I just write it in a good way, sin a equal to 2 sin a into cos a. So the same formula, if I want to write it for a, I'll get 2 sin a by 2 into cos a by 2. So this is the half angle formula. Okay, so whatever in LHS, I need to make half of the RHS. So similarly, if I have 2a, I'll just half the 2a means a. So I write here a. That's how we remember it. Now let's just solve some example using this formula. So suppose if sin a equal to 0.4, find sin 3a. Okay, so just use the formula that we just written here, that sin 3a equal to, we know that sin 3a equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Okay, I'm just substituting the value 0.4, this is the given value, 0.4 minus 4 into 0.4 cube. Simplify this, and I am getting, so use calculator, I am getting 0.944. This is the value of sine 3a. Okay, very simple, very easy, but you need to remember the formula, otherwise it will be very difficult. So suppose I have given sine a equal to 0.4, and I want to find cos 2a. So since I'll solve it like this. So since I know that cos 2a equal to 1 minus 2 sine square a, which is equal to 1 minus 2 0.4 square. So 1 minus 2 into 0.16, okay, which is 1 minus 0.32, which is equal to 0.68. This is cos 2a. Okay, I get the value like this. Okay, now suppose if sine a equal to 1 by 2, I want you to find sine 3a. Okay, and sine 2a. Okay, find out both of this thing. Similarly, find out if sine a equal to 1 by 3, find sine 2a, sine 3a. Okay, so try these two examples. Just pause the video lecture and try it out. Find out the value. Let me know in comment section what value you are getting. The next example is, if cos a is given 1 by 2, I want to find cos 3a. It is very simple, because I know since cos 3a equal to what formula we write is 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. I am just substituting the value of cos a here. So 4 1 by 2 cube minus 3 1 by 2. So I'll get 4 into 1 by 8 minus 3 by 2. So 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. So it is 1 minus 3 by 2, which is minus 2 by 2, which is minus 1. So I get cos 3a equal to minus 1. Okay. Okay. Now similarly find out cos 2a. If cos a is 1 by 2, what will be the value of cos 2a? Find this out. Okay, or try this example. So solve this example. If cos a equal to 1 by 3, find cos 3a and cos 2a. Okay, so try this example, and I hope you understand it, you enjoy the lecture. Till then, have a nice day. Thanks for watching.